Hello there, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today I'll be showing you the way of checking an website safe or dangerous before you pay a visit to that or making any financial transaction with the website. First of all, go to Google and then simply type Scam Advisor and search for it. And then the first website, that is scamadvisor.com. Simply click there and you will be on the website within a short while. And to inform you that this is one of the most popular website to check website is safe or dangerous. And suppose first of all I'm just going to check one of the best sites of the web, that is amazon.com, and going to check the result. It may take a little while, and yes, as you can see that the result is there. It is 100% safe and the review is down. I'm just scrolling. There are so many reviews too, and the additional informations are there. Okay, and if I check facebook.com, then it also shows that 100% safe. Okay, we also know those sites are renowned, but I have found some websites, as you can see on the sticky notes, those sites. I'm just going to check one by one, and first is monoclearers.com. okay, copying it and then going to simply paste there and checking it. And as you can see, the result is there. Low trust rating. Okay, it is 0% trusted and the risk is high. Okay, and more additional informations are there. You can read it. Okay, owner, administrator, etc. informations, and recommending you not to visit the site or make a transaction with those. And then the second is neodollar.com. As far as I'm concerned, it's one of the freelancing sites. Okay, pasting it and checking it. And it's low trust rating too. It is 10% reliable. That it means it is on the red alert zone, as the alarm bar is red. So additional informations are there too. And then the third one is $2click.com. It is also red marked. It's not safe. 0% trusted, this website. Okay, then the last one I had is wirepickup.com. Those are the sites where some options are available to make transactions, and I recommend not to trust those sites and make a transaction with those. And yes, it's also 0% trusted. Okay, and by this way there are so many websites on the web to check and to trust before you make any financial transaction. Okay, and if you want recent checks and if you want to know some URLs, you can click on recent checks and it will show some websites which is also checked by some other browsers in this website, and you can get an idea, okay, from the option, from this sub tab recent checks. And you can also find out some risk sites and will be able to be aware of risk sites if I click there. And now as you can see, there are some websites which are too risky to visit, let alone making a financial transaction. Okay, there are some sites. If you scroll down, you'll be able to know sites ratings, percentage of being risky, etc. And there's a simple way of checking our websites being safe or dangerous with this website. And I think this is one of the best website to check, and there are also some other websites which will be on the description box. If you want, you can check it from there and you can match the results with one another. And lastly, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. We always upload instructive and educative videos for you. See you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.